Let's learn how to operate your vacuum. To avoid damaging the cord, place the cord in the cord holder on the unit. Press the red power switch with your foot to turn on your vacuum. Press it again to turn it off once you're finished cleaning. Press the recline pedal to lean your vacuum back for cleaning convenience. To get even lower, press the recline pedal a second time. Once finished, lean your unit all the way back up to lock it into the upright position. You can easily raise or lower your vacuum to adjust to different flooring types by simply turning the knob to the desired floor setting. If the vacuum is too difficult to push, change to a higher setting. Your new PoweForce Helix vacuum not only does a great job on your floors, it also comes with a complete set of accessory tools to make your above-floor cleaning jobs easier. In the upright position, pick your accessory tool that best fits your needs and attach it to the end of the hose.